So, what exactly do you get with a full, in-depth blood test at Titan Medical Center? Well, if you're a male, we'll do a comprehensive metabolic panel 14, CBC, complete blood count, free and total testosterone, thyroid panel, progesterone, vitamin B12, lipid panel, estradiol, IGF-1, and a PSA. If you're a female, we'll do a comprehensive metabolic panel 14, CBC, complete blood count, free and total testosterone, total estrogen, DHEA sulfate, thyroid panel, progesterone, vitamin B12, lipid panel, estradiol, and IGF-1. And that's just the start. We don't stop at the surface. We take a deeper, more comprehensive look at your hormones, metabolic health, and key biomarkers, so you can truly understand what's going on inside your body. While most general practitioners focus on the basics, we go several layers further to give you a complete, detailed picture, because optimal health starts with in-depth insight. At Titan Medical Center, we want to help you feel, look, and perform your best.